Hello, my name is Kay Jennings. This is my 5th year in the Poultry Project, and my 6th year in 4-H. And this here is my Sumatra bird, Eurydice. As you can see, she has she, as I said, is a Sumatra puller, and this year I'm showing her as one half of my white egg-laying pullets. So as I said, she is a Sumatra, which is a breed that was introduced to the standard of perfection in 1883. They actually share their name with their place of origin, Sumatra, Indonesia, where they were imported in the 1850s because America and Europe liked the roosters for cockfighting, because they have the ability to grow multiple spurs per leg, and the roosters tend to be very protective. After they left that world, they became an ornamental breed, as you can tell by their gorgeous black with green iridescent feathers, and their blue-black slate legs. And they're really cute peacock, which mine doesn't have a big one yet, but she will later. Sumatra is a breed that lays white eggs. The roosters usually weigh about 5.5 pounds, and the hens about 4 pounds. They tend to be a lighter breed. So that's enough about this specific bird. Over the past years, I've learned a lot about poultry. One of these things is the specifics between different breeds of bird. Different types of breeds of chicken will lay different colors of eggs, and I find that very interesting. I find it really interesting, such as the fact that, One example of this is the fact that breeds such as Andalusians or Leghorns lay white eggs, among many other birds. And Royal Reds and Barred Rocks are some breeds that lay brown or colored eggs. But something I find really interesting is the fact there's 2 breeds, Araucana and Americana, that have the ability to lay different colored eggs than the standard 2. They have the ability to lay, eggs such as blue-green eggs. So an interesting part of poultry that I find very interesting is a part of their body called the crop, which is up here in their throat. And it's the first part of their digestive system. It's what starts to break up the food after they ingest it. And then after that, it sends it to the rest of their intestines and digestive system. Another interesting part of the body is the vent, which is kind of this all-purpose opening in the chicken, where uric acid, feces, and eggs can all exit hence. Something interesting I find, and that people at the fair tend to find interesting, is that chickens at one point did have what is technically a tooth. After the tip of their beak, when they hatch, they have a thing called an egg tooth, which they use to break out of the eggs. And it's used so they can crack the egg and climb out of it when they hatch after the incubation period, which, depending on the type of bird, they're in for a very long time. Such as chickens are usually incubated for 21 days. Ducks or turkeys are usually incubated for about 28 to 30 days, and geese are the longest with 31 or 32 days.